So most of the insurance agents and agency owners right now are running after one thing, is that recruiting more agents for their agency. And guess what? Their recruitment process is completely manual. And this recruitment process actually takes a lot of time, where the agent needs to fill out a form, then a supervisor would conduct an interview, ask them a bunch of questions, and then it would be a pretty much deciding moment if that agent is worth it or not. That's a pretty time-taking process. That's right. And that time-taking process is actually consuming a lot of money, and the result is not predetermined over there, technically speaking. So we have actually built a best recruiting system for insurance agents and agencies out there which can use this. And this exact thing is built on N10 automation, which is completely scalable and easy to use. And I'll share my screen. I'll show you how the system actually works, and we can get started from there actually. My name is Harsh, owner of Adventure Media, a six-figure marketing company here in Florida, and let's get started. Yeah, I hope you guys can see my screen right now, and this is the perfect recruitment system that we have for one of our clients that we have built, okay? And this is the entire system. Let me zoom it out a bit. Yeah, perfect. See, guys, this is how the system would actually work, and I'll show you in the live demo. Let me scroll it down. Okay, perfect. And here we go. So this is the first thing. This is the link where the agents actually come. You have to shift this to production link. I hope you all know this till now. And these are the bunch of questions that we are going to ask the agent before they onboard. First, we are going to ask them their full name. Second, the email. Third, we are going to ask them their cell phone number, which are the three most important stuff we're going to ask. Then we're going to ask them from which state do they belong. Are they a licensed agent or not? Then there's a drop down in are you currently insurance licensed agent or not? Then we would be asking them this same questions. How many years you have been selling insurance? Then we would be asking them approximately how much policy do you personally sell? And the next question is which insurance product do you primarily sell? These are the set bunch of questions that we're going to ask the agents, which makes the lead very much qualified. And that agent is actually proven to bring in more results for your agency or recruitment, whatever you're doing. Next is would how many hours would you put a week dedicating to selling, and how quick do you normally follow up with a new lead? The next one is that how comfortable are you using with CRM and technologies? Because in the world of AI right now, all the agents should be very much comfortable with the AI systems actually. Next questions are how comfortable are you using AI to help with sales, follow-ups, and lead management? And the second last question is that what's your biggest strength as an insurance agent? And this is basically the last one. Why do you believe you are the great fit for our team? Okay. This is a recruitment process which I have built for the Financial Shield, which is one of our client, and we are the founding member of it, which helps them to recruit more agents inside their company. So if you are really interested or a newly licensed agent who is planning to choose to work with some insurance company, I highly recommend to go with the Financial Shield, which the link would be in the description. You can visit their website and schedule the interview. Once this form is actually uploaded, you need to go back, and then this is a code which we have written over here. With this code, actually, you can get this code. I'll put this in the description or somewhere. You can find that out. This code actually gets all the information from the form that we have filled, and it gives a score how good the agent is actually. The score would actually bring in more people as we are actually doing it. So this would be a better idea to understand that how good the agent is on the basis of answers that he or she has given to that specific question that I showed you just right now. So the agent would come on the website, he's gonna click on schedule interview, and then he's gonna answer these questions. And the way the agent answers these questions, that the AI is going to determine the score out of 10, okay? Next one. It goes inside a Google Sheet where all the data is stored, okay? The name, cell phone number, email, everything has been stored over here. And once it has finally been stored, it goes to two things. If the agent scores above 8, Guess what, guys? There are going to be agents who don't score above 8, or there are going to be agents who are scoring below 8, vice versa, okay? So the point is, we can redirect two different branches. One would be if the agent is scoring more than 8, he's highly qualified and he knows A to Z about the insurance industry and he has been inside the industry for a long time. So that agent would actually go in this email. Email would be sent, and once the email is actually sent to the person, it's gonna see this would be the email name. Okay. Hi. Thank you for completing the insurance agent's recruitment assessment. We have planned to let you know your score more than a standard. We will meet your criteria. Congratulations, you have been selected for moving forward. And this would be the score which would be reflected over here out of 10. And here will be the calendar link of Shield, and you guys can actually copy it if you want to schedule an interview from there. Well, you can do it from this specific part as well. We are impressed with your profile, looking forward to talk to you. This would be the email which would be sent to them. If they score above 8, guess what? If they score below 8 and those are not qualified agents, they would be getting a different type of email. Hi, thank you for taking your time for completing the assessment of recruitment of insurance. After reviewing the application and assessment, your score was blah 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 out of 10. You are getting a final interview chance in the next 24 hours, receiving an email. This is the calendar link again. Best regards, Financial Shield Recruitment Team, Dallas. So this is the agent. We are redirecting agents on the calendar link on the basis of their score. So this would be a perfect system for your agency, or you are an individual agent who wants to do recruiting, but he doesn't want to make some more efforts towards it, because interviewing 5, 6 people a day, if you don't have any data, it's the most difficult part, guys. That would be the most difficult part. And this data would come inside the Google Sheet. You can see over here, there's a column which is named as score. So the agent would get a score out of 10, how much it would be. If I can show you the database, if possible, inside this, I'll add some clips. If not, it's a private stuff to show how many agents we are recruiting. So I cannot put that, but I'll make sure I'll put something which shows that the system actually provides better value. So this would be the complete automation which would be needed by every IMO or maybe every insurance agency who is looking forward to recruit more people. Because I have seen the recruitment system which has been done by the people, it is very much manual. You talk to the person back and forth and he responds to you. Sometimes he forgets, you were left unseen. He doesn't respond to you, or no one's there to follow up on time. So this system would actually be very much crucial and important for your business. So this is the complete system that we have built. If you need any kind of a system like this, contact my team at Venture Media. The email would be in the description, guys. And if you're a newly licensed agent who is looking forward to sign with a new company, the Financial Shield is the best one. I'll send the website link over there as well in the description. If you're still in this video till the end right now, like and subscribe to the channel. It gives support to me and provide best value for the insurance agents and other verticals, bring more value on this channel. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.